Concerning the first two, it was determined that the descendants of Isaac would settle in Canaan, the ancient name for Palestine. The initial stage is what God refers to when he says, "I have sent a messenger to every community." The Bani Ishmael was to establish themselves in the Arabian Peninsula.
Then came the Crusades, followed by Jewish occupation. Now there's a prevailing sentiment among us about the need to free our sacred sites from their control and occupation.
As this stage was unfolding, Prophet Abraham was appointed, with the declaration that he was chosen for the guidance and leadership of the world. Once the foundations were re-established and the house was completed, the masjid stood ready, entrusting them with this sacred duty. Therefore, an entire region has been chosen.